Hello, my YouTube friends. Dave Wilson here. Well, I've unpacked the rat rig. I was overwhelmed. There's probably, I guess, over 1,000 parts in this whole thing. So I was having trouble identifying them and just figuring out what I had. So I went ahead and Rat Rig has a spreadsheet that you can download of all the parts. So I printed it out, and then did a mail merge and created labels for all the parts. Before I started, I wanted to make sure I had everything. So it's just all kinds of T-nuts, bolts, screws, mounts, everything. And then some of the items aren't included in the inventory. The power supply, you've got to order that if you want it. Then the spool mount, I ordered that. I've got a 5-sec Spider control board ordered separately. The heater and the build plate are on the bottom here. Lead screws, that was part of the kit. And then all the linear rails. And there's a number of different sizes, so I want to make sure I get them identified correctly. And underneath them are the motors for the 5 stepper motors. Wiring for the motor connections, belt, and a lot of empty boxes. I wanted to save those until I made sure I had everything. And what I'm doing then, I tried to print the parts on my regular 3 printers, and I just kept having warping problems. So I realized the only thing I could do was I had to, I'll show you what happened. A lot of these just started warping on the bottom. They came off the bed. So I rejected them, and I've got the time. So I want to get the new parts here. And so I'm using my clothes printer. It's the only one that seems to have a really good success at printing PETG without warping. And so this is 2 pieces. It'll take about 10 hours to print. So that'll finish overnight. But I can also keep the interior. So this one, it's printing at the top right around 41 degrees Celsius. So that's what I've been working on. Anyway, if you have any questions, I'll keep you informed as how I go. I'm going to put some links to some people who have really done a great job of documenting this. Michael Laws of Teaching Tech, and another gentleman, I think is Voron 3D, and Sam Prentice. So I'll put some links. They have both real detailed and overviews. So I've been watching both and had a great luck with them. Thank you.